Alright, here we go. Corsair K100 quick review. This keyboard is the Corsair K100 OPX RGB Pro whatnot. It's not an air, it's got my cable. But you have these fancier textured keycaps. I don't really care for them because I've been using this keyboard for over 9 or 10 months, so it doesn't really make a difference because I've got the muscle memory I need. You may like it. Other people may like it. I don't really care. Alright, so this is, I think, 105% keyboard. Since I've got these G keys, I got my full numpad, got it all. I got it all. It also does come with this wrist rest. You also got adjustable height, but I don't use that. So yeah. Now actuation force is very, very low with this keyboard. I think it was around 50 grams, no, 49 grams I think it was, and or rather is, and that is very low, so I have very little fatigue when using this keyboard. Then other things you've probably noticed here is this control dial. I don't use that much. Oh yeah, you also have this profile switch and lock button. Lock certain keys. I don't use it. What I do use is on this side, which is my volume control wheel. Sometimes I'll use the media keys, but I usually just end up remapping these arrow keys for something, or for media control, music playback, so on. And then there's also this mute button, and that also does show up on this LED indicator panel. I forgot what it's called. This also does show up for caps lock, scroll lock, and then the num lock. Yeah. And also for mute, of course. So there's that. What else to say? G keys, these you can program them to do a lot of things, such as launching apps. What's the specific commands? Like for G4, I have that to show my sound output devices, and also my volume mixer basically. So if I want to mute a game, I can do that. If I want to mute a program, I can do that. If I want to change a device, output device, like either speakers or headphones or something else, or something is behaving weirdly, then I can do that. And then what else? You can have shortcuts programmed to these keys. You can have launching programs, a lot of things. The basic stuff. I think even macros can be programmed. Yeah, definitely. And what else to say? I like this quite a lot. This keyboard's very good. Yeah. What else to say? You do get some other things with this, but well, with this keyboard, but I think that's mainly just this keycap puller and these textured keycaps. Oh yeah, I didn't speak about USB pass-through. You do have USB pass-through. I think that's what it was called, the pass-through. So there's a port around right under here somewhere, which I plug my mouse's dongle into, and then the wireless mouse. As you know, I got my Razer Naga V2 Hyperspeed, or as I typed it wrong, Acer Naga V2 Hyperspeed. Anyways, and that will get plugged into my computer with this thick cable, and that has splits off into 2 different USB-A cables. And yeah, I think that's about it for this. The last thing I can say is this is quite a noisy keyboard compared to the K55 I use from time to time, so do keep that in mind. And you also cannot change the actuation distance, so there's also that. But that's about it. I like this keyboard quite a bit, and I'm probably going to use it for a very long time. Yeah.